Well, the following step involves creating a name. This guide is intended to help you add a name to our shorts, label them, or whatever you prefer to call it. This is a procedure that takes place prior to exporting, and if I have multiple shorts, I must make sure each one has its own name. In this case, I have a timestamp added, which I use to assign the name, but if we don't have one, we can right-click, add chapter marker, and here we get the options. Since I have one already made here, I need to confirm that the captions, images, and audio all start from the same point, right? So I double click, and since I've seen this video before and understand its topic, I will add the next title. That's basically what they were referring to. Feeling hungry doesn't make you special. And that's what the short is about. So I realize, of course, I ensure that all the vowels, meaning all the words, start with a capital letter because it's a name that will go to social media. Depending on what is being said, one can occasionally leave a word entirely in uppercase if they wish to emphasize it. And we click on accept. Now we see our name is set.